Well, hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski. A quiet start to our morning, and we have finally said goodbye to the clouds. Going to have plenty of sun for the day today. By the time you all see this, the sun will already be up, and we should see plenty of it today. High pressure out west. The winds will be a little bit lighter, closer to that high pressure compared to a little bit of a breeze out of the north and northwest today for central and eastern Nebraska. You see that backdoor cool front that kind of washes out towards the end of the day. That will provide for a slightly cooler air mass in north central and northeast Nebraska, where we could see highs in the mid to upper 40s. The rest of us low to mid 50s this afternoon. So looking pretty good out there for today. Tonight pretty quiet. We'll drop back into the 20s and 30s. We'll throw in a few extra clouds during the overnight, and winds should be a little lighter. Then tomorrow we pick up on a stronger south and southeast wind, fairly blustery in fact. That will help to bring in some even warmer conditions. Probably not much worse than partly sunny skies. Most of the day will probably be mostly sunny out there as highs push into the low and mid 50s out east. Upper 50s to near 60 in central Nebraska, and then lower 60s out towards the west. So we're looking pretty good for your Thursday, even warmer yet on Friday ahead of a cold front. Well, the cold front will come through on Friday. The colder air lags behind and really affects us more as we head into Saturday. Well, as we look at your forecast for today, again, sunny skies up north. A little bit of a breeze out there today, especially the first 2/3 of the day through about 3 o'clock in the afternoon or so. Again, that cooler air around O'Neill and Ainsworth, mid to upper 40s, otherwise lower 50s elsewhere. Out west, mid 50s, lots of sun, not as much wind out there. The winds will actually turn light by the end of the day. Mostly mid 50s in the south, lots of sun, again a little on the breezy side. Some of the stronger winds to the east. We'll see temperatures top out in the low to mid 50s with lots of sunshine. Next couple of days, a few more clouds tomorrow, a stronger wind out of the south and southeast. The highs into the mid to upper 50s. We should get into the 60s on Friday, maybe some 50s up north, maybe even some lower 70s down in south of the Nebraska-Kansas border. This is as a cold front actually comes through pretty early in the day Friday, but that colder air lags behind a bit. We'll start to see some precipitation move in Friday night, mostly light to moderate rain, but could even change over to some snow as it gets cold enough after midnight Friday night. It's not looking like we'll see a lot of snow, but a skiff of snow not out of the question before sunrise Saturday. Then we see plenty of sun return for Saturday and Sunday. It will be a blustery and cooler day behind that system on Saturday. Highs in the mid and upper 40s for most of us. As we get into Sunday, a colder start in the 20s, but we're on our way back to the 50s. Even a little bit warmer yet for Monday as another cold front approaches and makes its way through. That will drop us back again for your Tuesday. I'm going 44 degrees. There are models that are keeping us in the 30s for highs on Tuesday, so we could see a pretty dramatic cool down there for the second day of the work week. Looking down the road, of course, we have Thanksgiving later on that week on Thursday. A lot of people will be traveling. The weather does look to remain rather quiet here for the middle and end of the work week next week here as we get towards the holiday and just after. And it does look like we may try to warm up a bit towards the end of that week. By Black Friday, we could actually be seeing some pretty decent weather, but that's still about 9 days away. So not going to dive too deep into that forecast yet because that can always change. We always know that things can certainly change as you get a little bit closer to those time frames. So there you go. There's your forecast. A pretty good looking one overall over the next 7 or so days outside of a couple of colder days out there, but looking pretty good for mid-November. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you all have a great Wednesday, and God bless.